Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and a brand new video. Today's video I'll be reviewing the Fiskars W52 Weed Puller that I purchased way back in 2015. While this model has been superseded by the Exact, the functionality is basically the same. The Weed Puller has a lightweight aluminium body, approximately 1 meter in length, 4 stainless steel prongs and durable plastic foot piece. Whilst I'm demonstrating the Weed Puller to you, I'll just go through some of the pros and cons that I've found over the 7 years that I've had it. It was relatively cheap at the time. I think I paid $65. The replacement is anywhere between $75 to $85. I really like the ergonomic design. Lightweight, like I said, less than 1 kilogram in weight. At the time it came with a 25-year warranty. You can easily release the weeds into a bucket or into the bin, and it's easily visible. Some of the negative aspects, I guess, would be that not only does it pull weeds, but it also pulls out surrounding lawn area, leaving holes in the sod, which you then need to top up with soil. You need to be aware that it's not going to pull every living weed out that you have. It doesn't in particular do well with onion weed, and that extended use may result in cracking on the plastic parts. Other than that, I've been relatively happy with the W52. Should you like this review, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the like button. And if you have any comments, please feel free to drop them to me. Thank you very much.